Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking here at Our Lady of Victory School in Fresno, California, home of the Rebels, and I got to address the middle schoolers this afternoon. We'll be talking to the parents this evening, and it was a beautiful day though that I got to spend with the students and staff of the older grades at the school, speaking about bullying and specifically truly trying to see others around us as Christ would see all of us, and that's for someone's heart first, and our heart being as big as our fist, that if we let love, kindness, our faith, respect, empathy, compassion, and Jesus Christ don't fully enter our hearts, that we can turn that into peace, the Prince of Peace, one finger being ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, but also it being 2 seconds, symbolizing 2 seconds, that in 2 seconds we can uplift somebody. Something we say or do stays on their heart in a positive way the rest of their life, or in 2 seconds on the same side of things we can negatively impact a life forever. And so what I really tried to reinforce with all the students here is that yes, it's true that many times men, women, we look at the outward appearance, it says this in 1 Samuel, but that God truly and always looks at the heart. And if we can try to let any hurt or pain or anything that's really keeping us from treating everyone around us like we treat our brother and sister and how God intended us to treat one another, then if we can let go of that and let Christ come in to heal any of that hurts, right? The sad memories, the moments in our life that have really hurt us or added to that pain, now we can become healed people who help heal people and go out and show this kindness, show this unconditional love, be that light to someone else's heart, see them for what my shirt says too, one race human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else as well. And we also fully appreciate and know our worth and the worth in everyone else around us. Every one of us in the palm of our hand with the lines on our hands has the letter M. And this M, like I say, stands for miracle, upside down W, for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we can see that on our palm, it's etched on us. And the proof is there. God said this in Isaiah 49, that I've engraved you on the palm of my hands. And for us to truly buy into this, believe our value, and that we are made in his image and likeness and are just beautiful creations, beautiful miracles, that's one thing to understand it. But now we go out into this world that truly needs us and needs Christ's light to shine, that we go out and help others see that they're also good enough, that they're also great enough, and that they can make the same difference and impact that all of us are able to. And we are these divine beings with unlimited potential. And for me to hopefully just shed a little bit of light on others' hearts around us today, then that's what I'm here for, to let the Holy Spirit speak through me and breathe through me. And what I'll be sharing with the parents tonight as it relates to bullying and social media, cyberbullying, a lot of things around cell phone addiction. But in the end, our faith is what really helps to overcome any of the pain, any of the hurt that's in this world, and how we start to hopefully heal this planet. So again, it was beautiful getting to meet all of you, getting to share my heart. Hopefully I get to see you again one day in the near future. Until then, keep spreading the peace, keep shining your lights. Much love, peace. And please don't forget to subscribe here and check out some other amazing videos just like this one when you have time. Peace.